If you're here, you've probably looked at every other review video ever, so you'll already know about the price and all the features of this product, so I'm going to save you some time here. Let's talk about how the product actually feels. It's a bit of a chunky boy though. I do know of the memes of the MSI hinges, but I have to say this is not the worst laptop hinge I have experienced. Also, here's what the keyboard looks like. The one thing I don't like about this keyboard is the arrow key design. I don't get it. Literally just running some benchmarks right now, and can you hear this thing? It's crazy. So I tested a small number of things. Microsoft Flight Simulator 2024, Genshin Impact, Minecraft Java Edition, and Blender. This is all done with the high performance mode set in the MSI control center. The laptop is super noisy, but at least its thermals are good. So looking at the Blender scores for the same hardware, the laptop is always at the top end of that range. Flight Simulator 2024 is known for having terrible performance and lots of stutters, particularly when loading new scenery. Still, we get a very playable level of performance of this aircraft, and you can even bump the visual fidelity well beyond the medium settings I'm on. I would advise against maxing out the settings just because flights can go on for many hours and the noise. Genshin Impact, on the other hand, is a very well-performing game as long as you have enough VRAM, which this laptop definitely does. Overall, no complaints there. Minecraft is also exceptionally well-performing with mods such as Sodium and Lithium, so to really push it, I decided to add Distant Horizons and to use Noble Path Tracing shaders on my server. Unfortunately, path tracing can't use the ray tracing clause on the GPU as the OpenGL API that Java Edition uses doesn't support it. Despite that, the GPU still held up super well, and we got a very playable frame rate on medium settings.